up, YouTube? We're back again. Sean in the pack, and we got Derek over here.
Hi, guys.
Mom right there, Dennis here, Heather here, and I'm Sean. We're going to be doing the hot cocoa challenge from Like Father, Like Son. We have 6 hot cocoa packs here that are super hot. I guess they have Carolina Reaper in them. But we're going to let the oldest pick first.
Who we're respecting
And we're going to go down the line because they did a roulette. One of these packs, we have 6 packs here. Got the loud ass behind me. 6 packs here. 1 is safe and 5 are not. So, oldest first, the oldest dinosaur first. Go ahead and pick one.
I'm going to take this one.
Okay, so set that right here. Dennis. Second dinosaur. He's moving like one right now too, when I have hardly any battery.
Small hand syndrome.
There we go.
Next dinosaur.
Next dinosaur is me. Guess to grab this one here.
T-Rex syndrome.
And the young dinosaur.
The young Padawan that's still wet behind the ears.
Come on, baby Jesus.
Let's pick one.
Okay, this one's set off to the side.
Should we turn the fan off?
Yeah.
I don't want to die.
That's probably the safe one.
Okay.
Probably is.
Get your stuff out, and I'm going to pour the water.
Well, it's kind of hard to open these. Mom, you don't pour it. Is yours already in it? You don't pour the water in yet. You gotta put this stuff in.
I forgot. I'm going to go and get the other one so it's
I
dry.
can't open this. Derek's got a knife.
No, I got keys. Just with points on them.
Son of a bitch.
Sorry.
Screw it.
It's the fucking Roscoe, it's okay, honey.
All the fucking barking.
Yeah, all the barking in the video. That was great.
Yeah, that's great.
That wasn't Derek's fault. Good Lord, man. Couldn't open it.
How about open it?
There is no knife.
Yes, there is.
Well, there is. I told you so.
Holy crap, I can't get it all out.
That's what she said.
That's what she got. Overstuffed.
No cream filling.
Oh.
Waking from those dreams, people.
Uh-oh. Guys, I'm a little scared.
Look at this.
I'm not even gonna lie.
Boss.
Smell mine.
Guy, Derek, look at mine. There's a pepper flake right there.
Oh!
There.
See?
Oh, God! That smells hot.
It breathed today and...
Be very careful, Mom.
Do you want some help, Mama?
That was yours, thank God. Oh, that was mine. That's probably in the damn video now. You want to swipe that up? Never mind, leave it there. Of course, Ash can't stop friggin' posting in our Discord for 5 minutes.
Got this new thing in our Discord and he's just like always praying on it.
Yeah.
Don't worry, we still love you, Ash.
Yes, I still love you, Ash. This video is going to be 20 minutes long waiting for the dinosaurs to open their packs.
Hey, where's the Jurassic Park theme song right now?
How does that go? Bum, 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 dun, 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 dun.
Bam, bam, no.
Oh, these are going to get deadly. There's powder there.
Yeah, I'm trying to.
We need stuff to stir this crap, too.
I'll get
Not crap, but stuff. You know what I mean?
shenanigans.
Look at that. That's a pepper right there. I'm not lucky, I can already tell you. Don't start looking. I just saw it on top.
His was on
He
top.
can't
of
see
his...
it anyways. He's blind as a bat.
Oh! Oh, damn! Savage!
When
He's
I
gonna have to
heard
lean
you squeal
forward.
like one.
Oh!
No. No.
You're mean.
We've heard you talk in your sleep, man. You've done some pretty crazy stuff in your
You
life.
said some wild shit in
I
your sleep.
do say some wild crap.
Who's Bernice? I'm just joking.
Mom, no.
Dang it, man, my
I didn't
leg.
burn nobody's knees.
Okay, you guys ready for the water?
Yeah, I'm getting crushed over here with my freaking leg.
Do we need to take a pause?
No, no pause. I just want to get this over with.
This is gonna hurt. This is gonna hurt a lot.
If that's yours, stir it up, Dennis.
Wow, those marshmallows are melting.
Melt away.
If you need more water, let me know.
Oh, son of a bitch. Something smells hot already.
Dude, like my stomach is turning, and all it is I can smell the heat.
I just saw a flake. Dang it. Stir this up all the way. It's down the bottom, guys. Oh, son of a bean dip.
Do you need more water?
No.
Okay.
Oh, Mom, you gotta get over here and camera. So you don't have to go underneath, and I'll set yours over here.
You see how everybody's got theirs on the sides? You might,
That's good. My water. I splashed my water up.
I might have the non-toxic.
Well, everybody's face has got to be in the camera. I'll tell you that. Stir it up real good, Mom. I'm not tasting the straw either. Not straw, but the.
Spoon?
God, dude, there's flakes floating around in mine.
Oh.
Yep, flakes floating around in mine too.
You're not so lucky now.
No.
Well, I already know I'm dead.
Ooh.
Thank you, Chris, Amanda, and CJ, for blowing my O-ring. My brown belt is not being a virgin anymore from this.
See right there.
Oh, I just saw a flake on yours.
Yeah, I know.
And I,
Oh, Jesus, help us.
he might have been the lucky one.
I don't think so.
Okay. Oh, son of a bitch.
Here we go.
Bottoms up, guys.
Cheers, everybody.
Cheers to blowing our O-rings. Ready? Oh, shit!
Oh, shit.
Ugh!
Oh,
He
holy
got-
fuck.
He didn't get it, did he?
Try this. Try this. Come on.
Oh. Whoa.
Oh.
So you got the normal one?
Yeah.
Can I have a drink?
Oh. Those hiccups.
Holy. Oh my.
You lucky SOB. There you go.
We ain't getting this. No, I'm just kidding. Let me get
Oh.
some ice cream.
Three drinks in.
I'm done. Ooh.
Ooh.
I'm on. Go on for my third.
Oh man! Oh you dirty! Oh my God, you dirty
Oh.
asses!
Wow, that's hot.
I'm starting to drool.
I'm gonna enjoy mine.
Go get
So
the ice cream.
yeah, go get the ice cream, please. Ah! Woo!
Oh, God.
Oh! We don't have spoons.
I mean,
Thank you guys for the cocoa.
fuck you.
Ass.
I grabbed an extra spoon. Here,
There you
pass it down.
Son of a bitch.
go. Lips are burning. Tongue's burning.
My eyes are watering. Mm.
Basketball.
As y'all can see, Mom's dying behind me.
Mom, are you okay?
You okay? Get the ice cream man. Okay. Okay, guys, like, share, and subscribe. Chris, CJ, Amanda, it's coming.
Well
Your
played,
challenge
guys.
is coming, and this is hot as hell.
I don't know,
Good job.
I thought it was good.
All right, you want to stop the video? Like, share, and subscribe.